Today, we will explore the remarkable power of compound interest and how it can significantly amplify portfolio growth over time. As we transition from the information age to the age of intelligence, discover how this evolution is reshaping wealth-building strategies at an unprecedented pace, where learning how to make confident investment choices is paramount to your long-term success and affluence. Compound interest is like a magic multiplier for investments. It involves earning interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. As your investment grows, so does the interest it earns, creating a snowball effect that can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. By harnessing the power of compound interest, you can achieve your financial goals more efficiently and effectively. Whether saving for retirement, building a nest egg, or planning for your children's education, incorporating investments that generate compound returns can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. At Oakmount, we understand the importance of maximizing the effects of compound interest in your investment strategy. We offer premium quality investment opportunities to capitalize on this powerful phenomenon. From our exclusive fixed income products to our high-growth private equity venture, our investment offerings are meticulously crafted to help you achieve long-term financial success. If you're ready to supercharge your portfolio growth and unlock the full potential of compound interest, I encourage you to explore our investment options and start your journey towards financial prosperity today. Thank you for being part of the Oakmount community. We're committed to empowering you on your path to wealth creation.